Hello everyone, Namaskara. Illarigu Yashaswi Kannadavaani YouTube channel ge swagata. Welcome everyone to Yashaswi Kannadavaani YouTube channel. From all the last lessons, I hope you have learnt well the didn't usage, don't usage, won't usage, not usage and all those things, right? So today we'll be learning about the usage of a should. So how do we use should in our sentences? So let's learn this in Kannada, the should usage in Kannada. I hope before this you are comfortable and you are thorough with the previous video lessons. If not, please be thorough with that one. Then you can come to this part which will be very useful for you. Okay, so let's start. So I'll take the basic verb which is madu. So most of the cases I'll start with the madu. So my first sentence would be I should do. So I is nan, mad, beku. Nan mad beku. The connecting word that I am adding here is beku. Yes, you are right. Beku means want. You're right. But in this case, I can use I should do nan mad beku. Okay. The same sentence I can also use like if I have to say I have to do. In that case also the same thing will be applicable. Again, I need to do. In that case also you can use this one. So there will be different sentences, but still this is completely fine. If you use this, there is nothing harm to the sentence. So I have to do nan ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. I need to do nan ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. I should do nan ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So for all these three scenarios, I can use this and I can manage with this one for these two, which is completely fine, no harm to the sentences. Okay. Ivaga, the same thing, instead of I, if I want to say he should do that, he should do that, or he should watch the movie ಅಂತ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅವನು ಮೂವಿ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ನೋಡು is basically see, right? See or watch, look. That is nodu. ಅವನು ಮೂವಿ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. She should go. ಅವಳು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಹೋಗು is basically go. So ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಅವಳು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. Perfect. Amma should walk. So if you don't know the word for a walk in Kannada, then you can simply say Amma walk ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, if you know the word in Kannada, then it would be Amma ನಡಿಬೇಕು. Amma ನಡಿಬೇಕು. Okay, next, dog should bark. So very simple. If I don't know the word for bark, I would say dog bark ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So if you know the verb, then it will be ನಾಯಿ ಬೊಗಳ್ಬೇಕು. ನಾಯಿ ಬೊಗಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಬೊಗಳ್ಬೇಕು. So ಎರಡು okay. There is nothing wrong. ಬೊಗಳು is a right word. ಬೊಗಳು is a right word. So this is how I use it. So whatever the pronoun it may be, this word doesn't change. Just like a can't, not and won't usage. It won't change. Here again, you should drink. ನೀನು ಕುಡಿಬೇಕು. I hope you have understood this one. Okay. So ivaga your activity is take out a different verbs. The verb list is already shared with you all. It is available in the YouTube itself. I hope you have made a note of all the verbs, which is very important. Keep a notebook and make notes of everything, whatever you learn. So it will be very useful for you. It is a very good habit and a very good experience, the learning process when you write and study something. So choose a verb and try the different sentences and comment ಮಾಡಿ in the comment section, or you can write an email to me. And follow me in Instagram for more videos, for everyday videos. Just a minute. Yes. Follow me in Instagram for everyday videos. and activities will be posted in my website, and the link is mentioned in the comment box, and also it is available in the description box. Make sure you will do the activities, and you also have a spoken Kannada book which is being launched by Yashaswini. You can purchase the book, or if you want the printed copy, you can even ask me so that I can provide you the printed copy. The price varies for the soft copy and the printed copy. If you can print on your own, then you can download the book and you can print on your own and you can use the book. So thank you so much, and please share this video with your friends who are struggling to learn Kannada, who loves to learn Kannada. Share ಮಾಡಿ and like ಮಾಡಿ, subscribe ಮಾಡಿ to ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡವಾಣಿ YouTube channel ಗೆ. I'll meet you all with one more video very soon. Until then, ಧನ್ಯವಾದ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. From Yashaswi Kannadavaani, there are many e-books that is being launched, even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched, and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out the description box and purchase the book. The one specialty thing of this book is in a colloquial version, and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book, along with also follow my Instagram page to get the spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you, and the book is in a very affordable price. And for children, there are storybook level 1, level 2, vocabulary book, and the tense book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist named Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Varnamale, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself, and all the ebooks it will be, you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like ಮಾಡಿ, share ಮಾಡಿ, subscribe ಮಾಡಿ. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification, so that click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.